Alright, another meetup and team up. Si Victor.
Hello,
Mr.
good morning.
Victor Rosqueta from Kansas.
Ba, meron
Yeah,
pang
we're
giveaway,
meeting up.
Ano ta?
Yeah,
Nice
nice shot.
shot. Nice shot.
Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you, sir.
Okay, nilalaro kami dito sa Philippine Navy. Pero we're not playing against each other, no? Yes. Any shoutouts?
Shout out sa PMA 89, Makatao. At sa Golf Jamboree. Sa aming boss, si Boss Edgar. At yung mga katropa ko sa Kansas, si Jason, si Sil, at saka si Ed.
Ayan. Thank you, brother. Thank you very much for messaging. Enjoy lang tayo ng round. Ikaw, may shoutout ka. Bakit ang gwapo? So, meet up and team up. So, basically, this is an open invitation again for everyone if you want to play around together or play against each other or play two-man scramble, try to beat a certain score. Please just feel free to message me. Tapos, for this round, maglalaro kami stroke play, and putting Olympics. So basically yan, si Mr. Raimundo, he is playing 13 ka ngayon, no, Doy? 13, so he's starting 13 under. Si Jong is starting 16 under. Tapos si Victor is playing a 14 handicap. Tapos ako, I'm playing an 8. Tapos, putting Olympics din kami, 10 pesos per point. So, starting our meetup and team up dito sa hole number 10, which is 150 yards. Kaya kilala nyo na to si Weng. Weng, hi ka naman.
Good morning to all.
Maabot ka na sa
Nagising ako
Kansas.
ngayon.
Tsaka maabot ka na sa Kansas.
Ay, syempre ako
Malay
sa
mo, Weng.
Vancouver.
Mag-sorry ka kay Sir Gani. Gani ng Japan. Hinahanap ka
Sorry,
niya.
hindi ako nakapagkadi. Hindi nagising yung superhero.
May makaayos.
Napagod magligtas ng mundo.
Napagod magbasa ng green. Ayaw, Weng.
Right lang. Go ahead.
Okay lang.
Okay lang.
Balik. Sakto yung draw.
Let's go.
Good shot. Salamat, idol. Okay, good luck, boys. Good luck, brothers. Okay, good luck, Victor. Okay, watch until the end. Who will win our stroke play and our putting Olympics? Let's get the fairways. Our shot. Okay, everyone outside of the green. Ako nasa right side. And si Jong over. Si Victor. Ang ganda naman tira ni Doy. Wow. Good shot, Doy! Okay, ako yung left with 40 yards. Little green to work with. May bunker sa harap. Bahala na.
Nice shot. Tama na.
Okay. Happy with that shot pero over pa rin. That's for my par. Okay, so putting Olympics. I'm putting 4 points. Everyone putting for par. Si Victor is putting for 3. Si Jong is 2. Doy is 1. Ako.
Nice spot. Wait, nice spot.
Ah! Jong for par and 2 points. Ayan na naman siya! Ayan na naman siya! 2 points! Good par, brother. So, 3 points. Go! Oh! Double. Hey, Mr. Raimundo. 4 par and 1 point. Good putt, good par. Okay, hole number 11. 295 yards. So, ako ay made bogey. Jong and Doy made par. Tapos si Victor made double.
Ganda.
Nako!
Wag. Wag na, safe yan.
Ay! Nako!
Safe tumama sa puno.
Mukhang sana safe.
Take left.
Tumama sa puno. Ay, safe, safe.
Sir, safe.
Parang nakita kong pumalabog.
Nice shot, brother.
Tama mo yung aeroplano.
Ano, probe tayo? Hindi. Oh! Pag probe, paano nangyayari?
Victor, around 150 yards to the flag. Right in front. Patong! Wow!
Nice shot.
Doy, around 130 yards to the flag for his second shot. Unfortunately, si Jong yung naghahanap pa ng bola. Matulis. Nako, baka bank. Okay, I have 90 yards to the flag, left to right. Choke down a 60-degree wedge.
Take left. Right. Nice shot.
Potting for birdie. Right off the green with a cup. Okay, Doy, Olympian from Pasig. Potentially 5 points. Took up and down for par. Yeah, tapos si Jong, they found this golf ball. So that is his third shot to go up and down for par as well. Ponk! Saan nga, dito nga. So, sino 4 points si Jong? Ha? 4 si Jong, ano? 3 yata si ano? 3 si Victor. 2 ako, 1 ka. Ang layo ng 1 mo. Go! That's good, that's good. Okay, so si Victor is in for par. Si Jong is spotting for par and 4 points. Si Doy pala ang 2, ako 1. 1 plus 1 if ever. Muntik na naman tayo dun. Good putt, good putt. That's good, brother. Okay nga. That's good. Mahina!
Umabot! Revolution lang. Makabilangaw pa. Hindi umabot.
Science and technology. So wala naka-points. Tapos bogey si Jong at saka si Doy. Okay, hole number 12. Playing 160 yards. Pero nandito yung pin. Ay, yung tee. Other side. Ganda.
Hole in one.
Patong, patong. Nice shot. Patong lang? Nak.
Okay na yan, basta pati.
Ay, di nagtiro.
Hero. Hero.
Pumiyok pa.
Highlight.
Dinig na dinig. Kailan ka pa bumigay?
Bumigay si ano.
Pakinggan natin mamaya. Dapat di mo pinost, sayang.
Hindi, narinig.
Yung piyok ko. Yung tama na yung hindi na record.
Bumigay si ano. Dodong.
Ipapost ko, huwag ka mag-alala. Pinost pagkatapos mong pumiyok.
Highlight yun eh, ikaw naman. Kasi ano yun?
Bumigay.
Behind.
hole in one muna. Bye.
Okay, that was a good tee shot. Left of the flag. Okay, so si Doy is still outside. So nearest to the pin namin si Victor. I'm currently 8 paces, siya 7. So he needs to par this or better to get additional point. Alright. Ganda. Ay! Okay, hindi Olympian. Hindi bumali.
Dinagdagan ko pa. Yay.
Victor, this is for 3 points plus 1 for birdie. Tapos if he makes it, another point for nearest to the pin. So for 5 points.
Nice bird.
Ooh.
Wala ako sa gini,
Oo
oh.
nga. Tsaka 4 plus 1 yan. To win the nearest to the pin. 1 point for par. Okay, Jong for bogey and 2 points. Si Doy 1. Yan na naman siya. That's good, that's good. Mahina. That's good, brother. Okay, Victor for par and 1 point for nearest to the pin. Uy! Oh, madalas nagsusponsor. Which makes sense kasi ganda naman ng business niya kung golfer ka. Nice shot, brother.
Shot.
Ganda, Jong. Beautiful draw. He's back. Nagpa-practice sa MVP Cup. Fade, fade. Kaliwa lang. 3 line. Ay, sumabit.
Narinig ako. Pool.
This is the rare chance, rare opportunity, and rare times na I'll play safe. Hitting a 50-degree wedge. 210 lang sana eh.
Huwag na tayo sir mag-ano-ganon din yun. Hindi naman natin mapapasok yan.
Wala nang tiwala.
Hindi. Kasi yung third shot natin sigurado dikit sa pin yan eh. Naku.
4. Ano ba yun? Okay, what a terrible shot. Nagmadali. Na pumasok pa ako sa puno. Okay, Jong, going for it. Mga 190 yards to the flag. Yan. Four. Very rare opportunity. I mean, rare times na playing safe ulit. May tira sana dito pero punch out na lang. Try to go for par na lang. 30 yards. Sama naman sipa.
Okay lang.
Okay, Jong, second shot. Third. Third shot. On the green, that's for his birdie. Fourth shot to go up and down for par. 63 yards. Left to right. Si Victor. That's his third shot. At least I have a par putt. Par putts are right. Okay, Victor, potentially for birdie.
6 points.
1 point.
Ah, Victor.
Okay, that is for his par. So Olympics, Doy is 4 points plus 1. Si ako 3. Si Jong 2, 1 si Victor. Si Jong is also putting for birdie. Bilis ah. Ay, kulang.
Malilim man.
For birdie. 2 points plus 1. Uy! Good par. Okay, Victor for 1 point and for par. Hina. Hey, hole 14. No movement sa aming Olympics. Tapos I made bogey. Jong made par. Kanan.
Four! Four!
Ganda, Doy. Beautiful. Good shot, brother. Right before. Ganda. Gitnang gitna. Beauty.
Wag. Wag.
Yan, before. Safe. That was a terrible tee shot. Pulled it. Tumama sa puno. Okay, hitting lang 5 iron.
Naku. Kick right.
Sana makita. Kumaliwa, pumasok.
Okay. Sakto naman nag-draw. Pero I didn't expect maaga masyado sa left side. So nasa 3 line daw. Sabi ni third shot, 140 yards. Need to go over the tree. Medyo in play siya. So bahala na, sana hindi umabot.
Kick left.
Kanan. Over mo. Hindi ko nakita.
Oo.
May bunker.
Parang sa bunker, sir.
Okay. Galing mo, at least tumaas ka agad, ano? May chance pa sanang pumatong pero I had to open the club face, so nag-right. So went to malamang sa may around the bunker. Very difficult bunker shot. Halos no green to work with. To the flag is 12 yards. To go Sandy par.
Kung naman ang kick.
Pero kanin, make a ball. That is for additional 1 point for Sandy par. Okay, so Vic is still outside. Pati si Doy, yeah, still outside. Jong putting. Not sure if it's for 4 points or 3 points. Grabe naman! Good putt, brother. Okay, so magpapat na muna kami kasi nasa labas pa si Doy para ready golf. So, but what if this plus 1?
Uy, nagsimula siya.
Sayang naman yung putt na yun. Na-push ko. Oo, no? Naparamdam ko rin. Ay. Bite. Oh, si Jong pumapalo na, ha? Tingnan lang natin para kung si Doy, ano. Nice spot. Par? Par, Vic?
Yan tayo. Hindi ako nagbibilang. Sige na tayo.
Par. Good par, good par. Tapos tingnan natin kung 2 point or 1. Tingnan natin kung baka 2 pa nga eh. 2 points ka pa. Okay, Doy for 3 points. Hindi ko nakikita.
Parang ulit.
Okay, so movement sa putting Olympics. Si Jong is still leading with 3. 2 si Vic. 0 pa kami ni Doy. Fade. Ganda ng fade ah. Good shot, brother.
Uy, kanan.
Grabe. Tumama sa puno. Landed. Bumalik kami sa hole number 14. So, need to go over those trees. Dito. sa may bunker side. Hitting a pitching wedge. Sumabit pa sa maliit na branch. Sana nakalusot. Okay, third shot. Left with 190 yards. Need to fade the golf ball. Hitting a 6 iron.
Safe.
Sama ng tama. Right before the bunker, sa middle, right side. Yan, sa harap ni Jong. Okay, Vic, I think this is his third shot. Left with mga 130. Okay, third shot. Ay, fourth. To go up and down for par. Left to right, 70 yards. Yan naman, maka 1 point. Okay, that is for par. Okay, Joe. To go up and down for par. Potentially for 5 points pa. Okay, Joe putting for 4 points and par. Si Doy 3 points. Doy for 3 points. Ooh. Ano yan par? Ano yan Doy? Par. Good par. Tapos si Vic is putting for 2 points and birdie, so +1. That is to go 5 points. Ako for par and 1 point. Birdie! Lumaylay. Lumayo pa. Okay na? Double?
Uy! Uy, di bumali!
Uy! Ay ko po. Okay, hole number 16. Ang taas nga na scoring natin sa Pating Olympics eh. 3-1. Ako 0. Okay, 100 yards. Hitting 56. Behind it. Bang. Thank you.
Hindi pala ng Marines.
Sa goodness.
Tama na.
Yo. Okay, Mr. Raimundo, just before the bunker. This is to go up and down for his par. Okay, for Pating Olympics, Vic for 4 points +1. Ako 3 +1. Si Jong for par, 2 points. Tapos si Doy 1 for par also. Kung si Doy lang may pag-asa maka-points. Good par. Good putt. 1 point. Good putt, Joe. Hey, hole number 17. Finally, nagkaroon ng movement sa Olympics. It's now 3-2-2-0.
Sakto.
Gusto yung draw. Nanakot na. Ay, shot.
Amin.
Patong. Cut. Ay. Yun, lumabas. Lumabas. Joe took up and down for par. Pati kami ni Doy. We are outside, pero ako I'm in the bunker. Ganda yan. Ay, laki na talbog. Olympian. Okay, Doy. Mga 18 yards. The flag. Little to no room. Hirap ng bunker natin. Mabilis. Kapat dito lang talaga bagsak, ano?
French.
Masyadong lambot. Muli ko na. Ganun din. Masyadong gusto idikit.
Vic for 4 points. And I think for par. Tapos si Doy is spotting for par ka rin, Doy, no? Par and 3 points. Ako 2 points and bogey. Si Jong patting for bogey na rin and 1 point. Kuha, 4 points. Ano ka, bogey? Bogey?
Mabagal talaga itong butas na ito. Oo, namo, bagal talaga nitong green na ito.
Uy! Hole number 18. Force layup. Hitting a 56 degree wedge. Ganda! Uy! Safe. Buti malambot yung binagsakan. Cute ng pink. Okay, babawi tayo, Weng. Huwag ka mag-alala. 240 yards. Hitting for hybrid.
Doon namin yung...
Safe naman pero pumasok sa kaliwa.
Nakarma yata ako, kakasar sa'yo, Dodong. Sama ng laro ko. Ganda, Jong. Ganda, Doy. Nice shot. Playing bad. 64 yards. Left to right. Tirang mga 45. No?
Apo. Fight.
1 point! Sana! Kaya nga eh. Okay, Doy. Around ganun din. Same yardage. 65 yards to the flag. Oh, 45 yards. Go. Olympian from Kansas. Hey, Joe. Around 30 yards to the flag.
Jog.
For 4 points. Okay. That 4 points ka, Doy. 3 si Jong, 2 si Vic, 1 ako.
Na, puntos.
Kuha. Ay, bumali. Bumali rin, no? That's good, that's good. Good putt. Good putt. Okay, playing super bad. I'm now at even par sa aming stroke play. Si Jong is 6 under. Doy is at 6 under. Tapos si Vic is also 6 under. Subukan natin umabol dito sa second 9. Then sa Olympics, wala rin akong points. It's 3-2-2-0. Start of our second 9 dito sa front 9. Ganda!
Nice shot.
Nice shot!
Nice shot.
Okay, hitting 8 iron. Subukan kong bumawi dito sa back. Ay, sa second 9.
VUR mo lang.
Hey Doy, around 70 yards for his third shot. Saktong-sakto ulit. Okay, Vic. Around 60 yards.
Ay, grabe.
Ay,
Bike, bike.
Okay, Vic to go up and down for par. Okay then, 1 point. Ako putting for 4 points plus 1. Doy, putting birdie ka rin, no? Ikaw, birdie din. Okay, everyone potentially for plus. So 4, 3, 2, 1. Si Jong ang 1. Ay, 2.
Oy!
Kaya nakalaki daw.
Walang pumip. Good putt. Alright, hole number 2.
Ishambo.
Wala na ka-birdie sa amin dun. Everyone was spotting for birdie. Olympics 3-3 at tama 3-3-2-0.
Ganda.
Sumabit pa rin sa dulo. Stop. Okay na yan, ganda. Nice shot.
Yun! Ganda. Okay na yun. Ganda. Ay, tayo dyan.
Okay, left with 120 yards with the wind. Hitting a 56-degree wedge.
Kick left, kick left. Oh.
Nice out. that was a good out for par. Come on, mag-points ka naman, Luigi. Si Vic, this might be his third shot. Naka-go. Olympian. Si Joe, 5 points. Pati si Doy, also outside. Tapos si Doy is also outside, and also si Vic. Hey Doy, potentially 5 points. Muntik pa. Hey! Hey Vic, potentially 5 points from the outside. So 4 points si Vic, ako 3, 2 si Doy, 1 si Jong. Lalagpas na. Uy!
Wala bang po isang 4-4 pat?
Bad trip yun, napakalawa mo na yun ah. Hogi. Okay, hole number 6, ay 3. No movement pa rin. 3, 2, 2, 0. Oh, nag-lead right. Nag-lead right. Bola ko.
Okay lang yan. Huwag ka lang sa kaliwa.
Ako, broccoli.
Vic, 50 yards. Gulong talaga. Okay, ako naman landed in the bunker. 30 yards. Ano yan, right to left?
Apo, hindi lang.
Tapos si Doy also outside. Good shot. Nice shot. Okay, so putting Olympics, Vic putting for 4 points. Tapos si Jong putting for par and 3. Si Doy par and 2. Ako 1 plus 1 kasi Sandy par if ever. Ay, ang hina. Lumis pa rin, no? Okay na yun, Jong? Lumis pa rin. Ang bilis ng green, ano? Okay na yan, Doy. Hina. Yun! Saktong-sakto.
Thanks for the gravity.
Nice putt, brother. Nice putt.
Gravity.
Saktong-sakto. Hole number 4. Wala pa ring movement sa Olympics. 3-3-2-0.
Kaya tayo dalawang.
Kaya, kanan. Sumabit. Uy!
Mali. Wala tayong bola.
Need to take my medicine. Punch out. 100 yards to the flag.
Up.
Ay!
Yeah.
Kinain ng bunker. Yeah, I was happy with that. Use the bunker as a ramp. Kaso, sa upslope, tumama. Tumigil. Ayan, nasa gitna. Si Dodoy, around 45 yards. Ay, binitin lang. Olympian. Okay, Jong, the sexual chocolate. John Henry to go up and down for par. And wow! Okay, Dodoy. Potentially for 5 points dapat. Okay. So, 2 ka, Doy. 4 si Vic, 3 ako, 2 si Doy, in for 1 na si Jong. Uy! Par? Okay, hole number 5. Taas na scoring namin sa Olympics. 4 2 4 3 2. Tama, Vic, 2 ka. 3. Ay, hindi, wala pala. 3. 4. Tama. Tapos si Jong 4 na. Doy, 2 ka pa rin, ano? 0 ako. Sa pool yung po airplano.
Ganda. All in one. All in one.
Sobra yan, Dong. Anak ka ng weteng. Sobra yun.
Okay, Jong. Tapos si Vic. Yun, ang gagaling. Sige. Baka may chance ako dito. 4 points si Doy. 3 ako, plus 1 if ever. 2 si Jong, 1 si Vic. Okay, Doy. 4 plus 1. Lakas. Okay, this is for birdie. Ano to? Labas pa yung kaliwa?
Okay na yan, man. Ato, ano?
Ayaw talaga. At least naka 1 point ako. Good par. Yun oh, may mga fans ka pa doon, Doy, oh. Tips, sir! Okay. At least may 1 point na ako because of nearest to the pin. Kuha, 2 points. Okay, Vic. Good putt. Okay, hole number 6. So currently, the leader sa aming Olympic, sa stroke play is still Jong. He is currently 2 under. Tied si Vic at saka si Doy at 1 under. Ako currently 3 over na. Sa Olympics, Mr. Reyes leading 6, followed by Vic with 4, Doy with 2, tas ako 1. Balik.
Bumalik.
Hindi ka pa napawisan.
Four!
Okay, need to take my medicine. Punching out 30 yards. Okay, 80 yards to go up and down for par.
Naku, wag. Wag.
Naglag.
Bite!
For putting Olympics, I have this putt for 4 points, Civic for 3, si Jong for 2, Doy for 1.
lagi nakaka... Ilan ka? Parang dito na. Ay, okay. Mali.
Oh, yo talaga! Okay. 17, may movement na sa Olympics. Ganda. Di ba? Lagi bumabalik ah. Uy, sumabit pa.
Ganda ng fade.
Okay, 120 yards for Doy. More shot. Okay, left with 120 yards.
Galing ka dun, sir. Nayaw mo ng bunker ngayon.
Against the wind, hitting 56 degree wedge.
Makakaldag pa siya.
Ito naman siya kay...
Nice shot.
Wind!
Huli na yan, sir.
Yan. Okay, Vic. Around 100 yards. Ayun yung player mo?
Dalawang player kong kanon sa hapon.
Oh, alas 12 pa naman, di ba?
Ito, maatakas ko lagi. Ken.
Jong. Sila maganda naglalaban-laban sa stroke play. They're all at even par. Ako, I'm at 5 over already. Naku! Doy, potentially for 5 points. Olympian ah! Okay, ano, with the grass. Bite. Good try. Okay, 4 points ako for birdie plus 1. So si Jong 1. Si... Sino to? Ah, okay. Si Vic. 3 points si Vic. 2 points si Doy. 1 point si Jong.
Woo!
Bilis! Kulang dun.
Kailangan natin yan, sir.
Na-push! Okay. 7. 2 kanina eh. Nice spot. Okay, dikit ang laban. So, Doy, puro over ang labanan natin. Over ang labanan. 1 over ka. 2 over si Vic. Tapos, Jong, wala, may pag-asa ka pa. 3 over ka lang eh. Ako 5. Okay, hole number 8. So sa pating Olympics, ang movement lang. Si Jong is now at 7. Ako at 5. Vic at 4. Doy at 2. Mhm. Ganda, Jong. Keep right.
Nice shot.
Nice shot.
Patong mo na.
Ganun yan, patong yan.
Huwag ka naman mag-bunker. Okay.
Ito eh, left side of the green. Ako right. So silang dalawa na lang ni Vic yata naglalaban. Si Doy at saka si Vic. Ano to, Weng, right?
Kung may bilog sila.
Okay.
Bite. 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 Ang ganda nun oh.
Malakas lang. Malakas lang. For par. Galing naman nung kay Doy. Very clutch. Okay, Jong, potentially for 5 points. Oh, nga 1 point si ano, Doy. Okay, so Olympics. Si Vic has this spot for 4 points plus 1 kasi birdie. Ako for 3 and par. Si Jong for 2 points. Go! Naku, bitin. Clutch yung ginawa ni Doy. Lumilihis talaga sa dulo. Dito na naman siya po. Okay, this spot to stay 1 down lang kay Doy. Going to the last hole. Ooh! B2B. Aray ko po. Ngayon mo pa na-chamban yung mahirap yung green sa Navy ah.
Okay lang yan. Iyak na ako.
Oo, ako ba?
Ilan lang tumipas ko.
4 na yata. Okay, Jong for 2 points. 2 points? 9. So, alright, headed to the last hole. Ganda!
Ganda pa.
Kanan. Yun. Yeah, lumabas ang bunker. Alright! Ay, the leader. I think siya na nakakuha dito. Okay, safe. Ang taas ah, galing ah.
Isa yung hanto pala na si Ryan kahapon.
For left! For left! Okay, ako naman for my third shot. Left with 56 yards. Tirang mga 35. No? Kaliwa. No, ba't yun?
Bye.
Okay, Doy. Okay, that is for 3 points. Okay na to. Ikaw, sa stroke? Ako naman, I have this spot for 2 points to. No? Firm lang.
Opo.
Uy! For 1 point sayang. Good round, brother. Doy! Ay, Dong! Salamat! Vic, nice meeting you.
Meron kang pressure pot sana. Pressure pot yun ah. Stage fright. Nice
Super-
meeting you.
nice meeting you. Thank you very much.
Game. Yeah, nice game.
We'll keep in touch. We'll keep in
Yeah.
touch.
Yeah,
Thank you very much.
I usually go home January. So,
Message tayo.
Wala na yata akong time ngayon eh.
Oh,
Kaya-
no worries.
But I'll
Let's keep messaging,
Yeah, basta ano ko yung ano mo yung
brother.
follow ko yung ano mo.
Nice shot.